Welcome to Mwalimu Mkuu Skill Sets. Today we are going to talk about VLANs and their importance in our networks. In a classic old-fashioned network, we connect our switches together as we add more and more users in our networks. Eventually, our switches will begin to slow down and reduce their efficiency. This is mainly because in a poorly designed network, or what we call the flat network, we'll have large broadcast domains, we'll have large amounts of unknown MAC unicast traffic, and of course we'll have management and support challenges. So the more users we have in our network, then the more broadcast, the more unicast addresses, and then this brings a challenge within our network. So a solution to this is the VLANs, which are actually the virtual LANs. And the benefit of this is basically VLANs allow our networks to be segmented, and segmented means we can be able to actually to split our networks based on the users or the departments that we are in. For example, I can have the people in HR function in one VLAN, the people in sales in another VLAN, and the people in IT in another VLAN. So hence the VLANs will enable the segmentation of our networks, and then we'll have a flexibility where you can be able to actually know who is connected where and what are they supposed to access, which again will enhance security. And that's the three main reasons why we should use VLANs. Then something else to note is that a VLAN is equals to a broadcast domain, which is equals to a logical network or a subnet. I repeat, my VLAN is a broadcast domain, which is equals to a logical network or a subnet, which just means that every VLAN is a separate network on its own. Right, so what we'll do, we'll just go into the configuration of our VLANs, and I'll start with my switch here. And on my switch, I'll just show the simple VLAN configurations that we have. And if I say enable, I'll just click on enable, then I'll say config T, which is our configure terminal, and I will create my VLAN. Before I do that, maybe I can just use the command show VLAN to be able to see the VLANs that we have in our switch. And when you look at this, you can see by default we are all in VLAN 1. All our ports are basically on VLAN 1, and from VLAN 1 then I have all my ports there from Fast Ethernet 01 all the way to the gigabit. I also have VLANs 1002, 3, 4 and 5, which is any switch that is an ISO switch needs to basically have these VLANs. So you do show VLAN and you can be able to see the VLANs. Right, so I will do a simple configuration, and I'll say VLAN 10 like that. Then I will give it a name of sales, and I enter. I can exit. Then I'll say VLAN 20, and I'll give it a name of finance like that, and I enter and exit. Then once I do that, copy my configurations, and now I can do show VLAN, and there you will see your VLANs. You have a VLAN 10 and you have a VLAN 20, which is finance. So with those simple configurations, which are this, I can actually create my two VLANs, VLAN 10 sales and VLAN 20 finance. Now my switch has actually the two VLANs, VLANs 10 and VLANs 20. I hope this has been informative for you, and I wish to thank you for viewing. Thank you.